Hi, good people. I hope you are well. Let's just look at the renal system anatomy without further ado. So, in your exams, you'll always be asked to give a structure of the renal system. This is how it looks. So, with our right kidney, with our left kidney, which we also have the blood vessels. So, we have inferior vena cava, then we have the descending aorta. So from the descending aorta with the renal artery, which branches inside, then we have renal vein, which joins back to the inferior vena cava. So as part of over the kidneys, we have a gland, which is always known as adrenal gland. Don't forget about that. Then we have a renal column that is inside the renal, with the medullary. Then we have the cortex that is part of the anatomy of the kidney. But just remember, for our video for today, we are just looking at the urinary system, what is made up of. So we talk of the inferior vena cava, we talk of the adrenal gland, the right kidney. This is now part of the kidney, how it looks inside. Then we have the ureter. So from the right kidney going into the bladder with the ureter. Okay, so once we are from the right kidney or the both kidneys, the ureters, they flow now into the bladder. Now from the bladder, that's where we have urethra, which most people always confuse. So ureter is between the kidney and the bladder, but after the bladder, now we have the urethra. So you need to know what are the functions of the bladder or the urinary tract. So urinary tract, its main functions, or the urinary system, its main function, it removes waste from the body, it regulates blood volume and blood pressure. Then we can also talk of it controls balance of the blood pH. So urinary tract is made up of the kidney, urethras, bladder, and the urethra. It's always the four main things. So we've talked of the kidney, which is here. We've talked of the ureters, which are linked between the bladder and the kidneys. These are the ureters. Then we have the bladder itself over here. Then finally we have the urethra. So all these four things, they always make up now the urinary tract system and its functions: removing waste from the body. We can also talk of regulating blood volume and blood pressure, not forgetting about controlling balance and blood pH. So just a recap, we've talked about the contents of the urinary system. We've talked of the bladder, urethra, ureter, and the kidneys. Other vessels, we've talked of the inferior vena cava, which joins the renal vein. Then we have the descending aorta, which branches further into the renal artery, entering the kidneys. So inside the kidneys, with the cortex, with the medulla, and other things. In case we'll be doing a video on the anatomy of the kidney, that's when we'll venture into it. Then apart from that, we've talked of the adrenal glands, which are above the kidneys. So if you have your free time, you can go and check what are its functions. Then after that, with the urethra, we've said it's a link between the kidney and the bladder. Then after the bladder, with the urethra. The functions, we've said it removes waste from the body. We've also talked of regulating blood volume and blood pressure. Then finally controlling balance of blood pH. Up to that point, we are done with the urinary tract system anatomy and also functions. If there's any other question, you can post it down. For those that are new to the channel, we kindly urge you to give us a subscription, like our videos, and share to others. Thank you. Bye bye.